Have you ever thought about the hidden meaning behind the last digit of your birth year? While it may seem like a small and unimportant detail, many believe that this final number holds deep insights into your past life. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the intriguing world of numerology and spiritual symbolism. By analyzing the last digit of your birth year, we'll uncover what it reveals about your past existence, the karmic energy you carry, and how it shapes your current life. If you're eager to unlock hidden truths and gain a deeper spiritual understanding of your life's purpose, stay with me for the next few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, as we'll be diving deep into this fascinating topic, and you won't want to miss it. Understanding the concept of past lives. Before we explore the specific meanings of the last digit of your birth year, it's essential to first grasp the idea of past lives. Many spiritual traditions embrace the belief in reincarnation, the concept that our souls are eternal and undergo multiple rebirths to grow and evolve. Each past life leaves behind an energetic imprint, shaping our personality traits, tendencies, and challenges in this lifetime. This imprint is often tied to karma, the spiritual consequences of our actions from previous existences. But how can we uncover these hidden influences, and what can we do with this knowledge? In numerology, each number carries its own vibration and energy, influencing everything it is connected to. By examining the last digit of your birth year, we can tune into this energetic frequency and gain insight into the journey of your soul over time. The meaning of the last digit in numerology. In numerology, every number has unique qualities and attributes. The last digit of your birth year, ranging from 0 to 9, reflects specific lessons and energies carried over from a past life. Let's explore the significance of each number and what it reveals about your previous existence. Last digit. 0. The cycle of endings and new beginnings. If your birth year ends in 0, your past life was marked by major transformations. The number 0 symbolizes completion and returning to the source, representing both the closing of one cycle and the start of another. In your past existence, you may have gone through significant endings, such as the conclusion of a long journey or a profound life transition. Throughout your life, you may feel drawn to fresh starts and spiritual growth. Individuals born in years ending in 0 are often seen as seekers, searching for deeper truths, self-discovery, and understanding. If you're reading this and your birth year contains a 0, it's likely that you have a strong connection to spiritual awakening and a deep urge to break free from past cycles. Last digit 1. The leader and pioneer. If your birth year ends in 1, you likely possess a strong sense of individuality and leadership. The number 1 represents independence, self-sufficiency, and the drive to carve your own path. In a past life, you may have been a trailblazer or a leader who had to stand alone to achieve your ambitions. In this life, you may find yourself drawn to roles that require leadership and self-reliance. Perhaps you have an innate urge to challenge norms and introduce innovative ideas. The past life energy of the number 1 encourages you to trust your instincts, take bold risks, and pursue your goals with confidence, even in the face of doubt from others. Last digit 2. The peacemaker and diplomat. If the last digit of your birth year is 2, you may have played a role in bringing peace and harmony to others in a past life. The number 2 is associated with balance, partnerships, and diplomacy. You might have been someone who mediated disputes, united people, or ensured that relationships remained harmonious. In this life, you are likely to encounter situations that require patience, empathy, and emotional intelligence. You often have the ability to see both sides of an argument and can diffuse conflicts with ease. The energy of the number 2 suggests that your soul is here to continue spreading peace, whether in personal relationships, professional settings, or through personal growth. Last, digit 3, the creative soul. If your birth year ends in 3, you likely have a natural talent for creativity and self-expression. The number 3 symbolizes communication, artistry, and a unique perspective on the world. In a past life, you may have been involved in artistic pursuits such as music, writing, painting, or performance. You likely used creative outlets to share your vision and emotions with the world. This creative energy continues into your present life, where you may feel a deep need to express yourself, whether through art, speech, or your lifestyle. Your purpose is to bring beauty and inspiration to those around you, as people with a strong 3 energy often find joy in uplifting and motivating others.